This question is based on linear equation in two variables. Question is, mathematics teacher of a school took the standard 10 students to see the painting exhibition which was held at Art College of Education, Bangalore. It is a part of the art integration of mathematics. The teacher and student had interest in painting as well. Students were eager to see the above paintings. The teacher explained that the above paintings are based on concept of pair of linear equation of two variables. So in this given picture, you can see downstream condition is given to us. Direction of boat and direction of stream are same in downstream condition. In upstream condition, both the directions are different. And we know, if we suppose that speed of boat as x and speed of water as y, so downstream condition will give speed as x plus y and upstream condition will give x minus y. So this is the speed, x plus y, x minus y are the speeds in downstream and upstream condition respectively. Now we'll see the questions here. First question is, if speed of boat is 5 km, that is x value, already I supposed x as speed of boat, so x is 5 km per hour. Speed of stream, that is water, is 2 km per hour, means y is 2 km per hour. Then what is the speed of the boat in downstream condition? So we know downstream condition is x plus y. So 5 plus 2 equal to 7 km per hour is the answer. Next is, if the speed of boat is 5 km per hour, that is x is 5 km per hour and stream is 2 km, same, y value is also same here. Then what is the speed of the boat in upstream condition? So this is the upstream. X minus y is what? Upstream condition. So 5 minus 2, 3 km per hour we can write. The final answer is D option, 3 km per hour. Boat goes 21 km downstream. Then what is the time required to cover it? See, distance is given 21 km. Time we should find, and that boat is going downstream. Okay, so that means is downstream speed we should know, and already we calculated this speed as 7 km per hour. So using speed distance time formula, speed is distance by time. Time we should find, so distance by speed. Distance is 21, speed is 7. So final answer is 3 hour. Time is 3 hour. So it should be 3 hour, not kilometer per hour. Okay, so D option is correct here. Next question, a boat goes 12 km upstream, means distance is given for upstream condition. Then what is the time required? Time is asked. So if distance is given for upstream, we will use speed of upstream. That already we counted, already we calculated, that is 3 km per hour in second question. Okay, so using again speed distance formula, speed is distance by time, so time will be distance by s. This time distance for upstream is 12, speed of upstream is 3, so finally 4 hour time required. So A option is correct. Speed of boat and stream x kilometer, y kilometer are respectively. What is the distance covered by downstream? See, downstream is asked in t hours. Okay, so we know downstream speed will be, if x is the speed of boat and y is the speed of stream or water, so downstream condition is x plus y. Downstream is speed, we can say. Time is t hours given, so distance will be speed into time, and that can be given by speed is x plus y into t kilometer. So this is in the option A. So option A is correct here.